something higher up. Let's say it is, bearing in mind you're pointing at the arrow. Where you put your vectors is really important. Where you point is where the force will go. Really does make a difference. So even where you put the finger on the spine and where you have the other arm pointing makes a difference. Let's say I want to, we roll you the other side, Mick, just if that's okay, just to, and can you all see me? Okay. So let's say he has a problem with his T12L1 or L1L2, okay? So up in the upper of their DL junction or just below, we say L1, L2, and I want to just put a little bit more force higher up. So I'll roll, here's his L1, L2, flex him up until I feel motion at that joint. Just flexes like that. That's like remember when we were mobilizing the spine and flexion earlier? Why we were learning that? Because we're doing that now. I'm seeing what's moving here, okay? Straighten the bottom leg, all the way out, okay? There, okay. Change hands. You don't want to put any thrust through a shoulder in somebody with a shoulder problem. A dislocated shoulder before, they've some sort of, arthritis in the shoulder, they have problems with the ribs. You have to be careful with this, but you can put a small thrust to the shoulder. In a healthy person with a normal shoulder, you broke your scapula before.
Mm-hmm.
Which one?
Left one.
Left one, grand, perfect. And I'm going to rotate him, if I rotate him all the way down to L5S1, the whole thing's, you said over-rotated. So I'm going to rotate him down to about there. Now that's motion at probably about L2, okay? I'm going to hold, you to hold that there. Relax the shoulder. Hand across. I'm going to fix the shoulder here like that. I'm going to rotate him across quite a bit here like that, because I'm going to fix this quite a bit, and it's going to be a small thrust. This is a low amplitude. You're not going to try and, because that will hurt the ribs. You really have to pick your patience with this, okay? So I'm up here. So where I'm trying to adjust is under my finger, okay? Let's see how that goes. So notice I'm pointing here. I'm not pointing here. I'm pointing here, okay? And my finger's on that. I'm pressing on it. I'm holding the shoulder. Deep breath in and breathe out.